Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid, just coming up into Bitcoin, big of the CoinsKid crew. So at the minute, Bitcoin, what we need to see is this monthly close. It's coming in hot. We've got literally 14 hours and 33 minutes left for this monthly close to come in. So I'll keep an eye on this for you. This level here, the red line, is the 55 EMA. I think closing about above that this month could be a nice little bullish indicator, but one of the key areas of resistance I'm looking at for Bitcoin to close above is that blue line, which is the 10 EMA on the monthly time frame. That currently sits at 23996. So if we see a little pump today on Bitcoin, if we see a minimal pump of around about 3.4%, for me it confirms a bottom on the monthly time frame. And I think at that point you've got to target the 20 EMA on the monthly, and at that point you are breaking out here. You've got this breakout of this orange line and you're attacking that line just there, which is a 20 EMA on the monthly time frame. One thing we definitely need to see going forward is Bitcoin consistently holding this 20 EMA on the monthly time frame, okay, because that indicates a bull run for me. It's the best signal you can get of a massive impulsive move. You're holding this, you're not losing the 20. As soon as you lose the 20, like I said to you got to target the 55. We came down, we've actually come deeper than anticipated, and boom, we're coming back up. Okay, so it's all about working through the fibs. At the minute we've got a key level of resistance, which is this trend line on the monthly time frame, where we've rallied into this resistance at the moment. We're putting in some kind of indecisive candle at the moment on Bitcoin, so it's a little bit 50-50 which way it's going to go. Obviously come March, if this closes below and we start to roll, it's going to be squeaky bum time for another impulsive move to the downside. And if that is the case, you've got your key levels of support that I've shown you. You've got the weekly 20 EMA, lose that's bearish. You've got the daily 55 EMA, lose that's bearish as well, and it could indicate another impulsive move to the downside for Bitcoin. In that case, I would be targeting the 2019 wave 1 high, which is around about 14k, for another impulsive move to the downside before a bounce, basically, for Bitcoin. But we have to respect the charts. At the minute we are attacking the monthly EMAs. This is something you want to see. We ran into this as resistance, consolidated, looking to attack it and go through it. If we get through it, super bullish. If we reject, squeaky bum time for March, okay, because we could have a big retracement, and falling through those key levels of support that I've shown you multiple times would be bearish and could indicate another impulsive move to the downside. And my target would be at a bare minimal this wave 1 high, okay, at 14k. But anyway, it's not done it yet. It's too bearish considering it's not done it. On the lower time frames, moving up towards the monthly here, we're doing really well. We're above key levels of resistance, but we want to see, like I said to you, we need to see the follow through on the most important charts here. So at the minute we've rallied into this resistance, okay, which is this monthly trend line, and equally what this is here, you see this red line, this is equally another leg of resistance that I do expect. If Bitcoin breaks this, comes back to its support, I expect this red line in time to be resistance as well. This is a good swing up. If we do come back like this, we get a level of consolidation here like we are there, getting consolidation before breaking it. This is going to be a strong level of resistance, just like this trend line has been a strong level of resistance so far for Bitcoin, okay? So anyway, that's Bitcoin on the monthly. We need to see the close today above these two key levels of resistance. The 55 EMA is currently at 23323, and the 10 EMA, which is absolutely golden if we can get back above that today, is 23996. So until we get back above that, there always exists that, okay? We can't take it off the table until you take this resistance out for Bitcoin. Anyway, let's jump onto the hourly chart and see what we can see for Bitcoin. So looking at Bitcoin on the hourly time frame, we could be gearing up for a massive pump here when everyone's getting really fearful. So, I think that possibly we could have double bottomed down here, and this is some kind of ABC correction that's come back down. And one thing that's negating that this is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3, this is a 4, is the fact that this wave 4 here is retraced higher than the wave 1 low. Okay, so potentially what we've got is some kind of 5 waves in here of a C wave or some kind of ABC correction, simple ABC correction, okay? And what we're doing right now is coming back up off a double bottom impulsively. So we need to see 5 waves up, okay? So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This wave 4 retracement never lost a wave 1 high. So this could be a kind of beautiful impulsive move for Bitcoin. So yesterday I did get stopped out, it came back up and I got stopped out in the descending triangle, a small little short right there, got stopped out. It is what it is. But right now I'm going to take a chance on Bitcoin here. Now what I've done, I've marked this white line is tonight's close basically, which is the beginning of a new month. From this date forward, you're looking at a new month and new beginnings for Bitcoin next month in March. So we've got this key resistance here. This dotted blue line is the monthly 10 EMA for Bitcoin. This dotted red line is the monthly 55 EMA for Bitcoin. So if we can see a close by tomorrow above these, on the monthly time frame, that's super bullish. So what I'm going to do today, You know, I'm always going to show you what I do. I'm going to take a chance on Bitcoin. I've put my stop on this low just here. I'm going to show you everything I'm doing, okay? Because if this is impulsive off the low and Bitcoin's telling us it's impulsive, you're going to see coins explode, okay? Not just Bitcoin, you're going to see other coins explode. If we put in an ABC, and this is a 1, and right now you're going through some kind of correction 2 before a massive 3, you're going to see a big breakout here that's going to take out these resistance points and, you know, start to do something like this from tomorrow onwards. And this is a massive wave 3 that's going to break out. So I always try and find the opportunity here. For me, I'm going to enter Bitcoin. I'm going to go long, and I'm going to put my stop loss on the 1 fib at 22747. You know, if it goes against me here, you know, it is what it is. I try and take the trades that I can see, minimize risk. You're looking at around about 2.3% loss for a potential massive breakout here for Bitcoin, confirming the bottom by taking out this dotted line and this dotted line on the monthly time frame. So, you know, just there, we could be going through some kind of ABC correction. At the minute, we've got this high, which is on the 0 fib at 23892, and we're retracing to this low, which is a 1 fib, and you can see clearly at the moment we've come down to the golden ratio. So if this is some kind of flat correction, we've got some kind of ABC in here, you might potentially see us come down to 702 fib. If we start to lose that, okay, we've got another impulsive move down, and this is a retracement before another impulsive move down, sweeping that 1 fib. But at the minute, I'm going to take a chance on Bitcoin. I'm going to buy Bitcoin, and I'm going to put my stop on this 1 fib. So I always show you what I'm going to do. You can do the same. It's entirely up to you. Minimize your risk. You can put bids in lower if you want to, but I'm just going to buy Bitcoin, and I'm going to sit and pray that tomorrow, you know, tomorrow's video we'll kick back, relax, say, yes, look at that, we've got the breakout. Now let me show you something. When Bitcoin does break out and it comes back and it corrects, look how quickly it can begin to break out. So I wouldn't take it off the table that we could be looking at for explosive breakout here for Bitcoin. Am I too bullish? I don't know. I'm just always trying to find opportunity for you. Hope you enjoyed that update. So what I'm looking for is Bitcoin to break up, get above that blue line and get above that dotted red line to confirm the bottom on a monthly time frame. We've got between now and this white line to do it. Okay, hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.